Nailing Noun and Pronoun Agreement. Master indefinite pronouns. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very important aspect of English grammar, Noun and Pronoun Agreement. We'll be focusing on a particularly interesting subtopic, agreement with indefinite pronouns. So sit back, grab a notebook, and let's enhance your English language skills. Indefinite pronouns are words that refer to one or more unspecified persons or things. They're called indefinite because they don't point out specifically who or what is being referred to. Some common examples include everyone, somebody, nobody, each, either, none, and both. They can be singular or plural, and understanding this is key to mastering noun and pronoun agreement. Let's start by understanding singular indefinite pronouns. These include words like each, anyone, everyone, someone, nobody, etc. Now, you might be wondering, why is everyone considered singular? Isn't it referring to a lot of people? Great observation. While words like everyone may seem to refer to multiple people in grammatical terms, they're singular because they refer to each person in a group individually. Here's a sentence for you. Everyone in the class has completed his or her assignment. Notice how we use has, singular verb, and his or her, singular pronoun. It wouldn't be correct to say, everyone in the class have completed their assignment. On the other hand, plural indefinite pronouns include words like several, many, few, both. They refer to multiple unspecified objects or people. For these, we use plural verbs and plural pronouns. For example, many have brought their books to the class. Some indefinite pronouns can be singular or plural, depending on the context. Words like all, any, more, most, none, and some fall into this category. They can take singular or plural verbs and pronouns based on what they're referring to. For example, some of the pie is missing. Pie is singular, so use is. Some of the pies are missing. Pies is plural, so use are. We've covered a lot today, but don't worry if it feels like too much. Language learning is a journey, and you're doing great. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try creating your own sentences using indefinite pronouns, and you'll master noun and pronoun agreement in no time. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.